Thank you.
Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Boo!
Oh, googly bear!
Out of my life. This human child froze me with his thumb under control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me.
We gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky, save me! My birthday! I thought you heard about me!
Come on, this way.
Perimeter is under observation. Decon unit in position.
There's nothing down here. On the R, affirmative on the negative, number one.
Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Oh, yeah, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Race it to the scare
They'll never find her door now. We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene